What's going on, second grade? Mr. Hunter here with your second grade phonics test. Today's test is number 15. You should have number 15 for your phonics test. So go ahead and write your name, write the day at the top. Today is May 15th. So phonics test number 15 on May 15th. What you're going to do for number one, I am going to say the word, and you're going to write the blend that you hear in the word. You're also going to circle the special sound, and then you're going to mark the vowel. I'm going over the directions just as I did last week, but it's the same thing that you did in the first part. So you guys should be familiar with this right now. I'm going to say the word, number one. You're going to circle the special sound, and then you're going to mark the vowel. So there's three things that you need to do. For number two, you're going to write the special sound that you hear in the words that I say. So again, I'm repeating the word, but this time you're only writing the special sound. All right. And then number three, you'll write the vocabulary word that I say. And number four, we'll talk about that when we get there. Okay, so let's do the first two or three right now. Starting with number one, your first one. Stripes. Stripes. Your shirt has a lot of stripes. Stripes. You're writing the blend, you're circling the special sound, and you're marking the vowel. Stripes. Your shirt has a lot of stripes. Your second word. Chunks. 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 My soup had chunks of meat inside of it. My soup had chunks of meat inside of it. Chunks. Write the blend, circle the special sound, mark the vowel. Your third word. Twine. 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 And you're doing the same thing again, writing the blend, circling the special sound, marking the vowel. Your next one, number four. Shells. 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 If you go to the beach, there could be shells all over the sand. When you go to the beach, there are shells all over the sand. Shells. Shells. Your fifth word, splatter. 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 I was moving too fast in the kitchen and dropped the sauce, and it splattered all over the floor. Splatter. Splatter. That is actually a true story. Splatter. Splatter. So write the blend, circle the special sound, and mark the vowel. All right, let's go on to number two. Number two, it says write the special sound you hear in the words your teacher says. So you're just writing the special sound now. So I'm going to say the word as clearly and as loudly as I can, and you're just going to write the special sound. Admire. 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 Who do you admire? Who do you admire? And if you don't know, admire means you look up to someone. Who do you look up to? Who do you admire? And just write the special sound. Admire. Next one. Became. 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 All right, just a special sound. Became. Number three. Painful. 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 I hit my toe on the edge of the couch and it was painful. 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 Next word, number four. Nation. 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 The United States is a nation. A free nation. The United States is a free nation. Nation. Just the special sound. And then for your last one, 18. 18. 18. I used to be 18 years old. I am much older now. I used to be 18. I am much older now. All right. Number 3, the directions are, they say, write the words your teacher says. Well, you only see 2 blanks because we only have 2 words today. So listen carefully. Your first word is warm. 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 Is it just me, or is it getting warm outside? Warm. Warm. The next word, lasted. 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 The rain lasted all night long. The rain lasted all night long. Lasted. All right, number 4. Read the sentences and write a possessive phrase for each. So this is a test, but I want to make sure that we understand what a possessive phrase is. So when you're talking about somebody, if I say, I rode my dad's bike, whose bike was it? My dad's. So there may need to be a parentheses, I'm sorry, put that there, a parentheses, and you show whose bike it was, whose car it was. I drove my dad's car. Whose car? My dad's car. Or my dad's. You put an apostrophe, put the S. So what you're going to do down here, you read the sentences and decide what the possessive noun or phrase is going to be for each one. Hopefully that explanation helped you out, didn't give you the answer right away. But that should be something you guys are able to do. We've done it before, so I know you're going to do well now. And then on the back, we have something you have to do. It says circle the correct plural nouns. What does plural mean? Plural means more than one. So if I have 1, 2 could be plural. 3 could be plural. I could hold up this many and it could be plural. But all plural means is it's more than 1. So it says circle the correct plural nouns. And then at the end, parents, you've done it with 1st grade, you've done it with 2nd grade. This is our oral phonics. They're going to indicate, you guys are going to indicate which row that the child or the student reads. And once they say it, they're all good to go. If they get something wrong, they can read it again. But other than that, you guys know what to do. Thank you so much for your help and cooperation on this part of the test. I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Have a great weekend.